Good morning, all of you.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir.
Good
Sir,
morning.
this is our first period after 5 days holidays.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I was literally missing your class.
Arey, beta, I
Sir,
was also missing you all. I was
Sir,
also missing.
today we have to do exercise 6.1 question D fourth one.
6.1.
Yes,
We are still doing exercise 6.1.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Arey,
sir. D
this is.
question fourth one.
Acha, this is very unfair.
Sir,
We are still on exercise 6.1. Arey, how can this happen?
Sir, your periods in our class is.
Sir, we have to do exercise 6.1 D question, third answer.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, let's do.
Third answer, sir. Fourth answer.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
sir, I have done fourth and fifth. So, sir, may I send you answers in the chat box?
I think we have to. Yes. Those who have done, they can send the answer in the chat box.
Please tell, sir, can you please tell the answer of question 2?
Question
Sir,
2.
exercise D.
Beta, Varun, what is the answer of question 2?
Sir, the answer of question 2 is sir 194. Sir 194. Sir 194.
194.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But mine is coming 209.
Sir, so it is wrong if it is coming 209. Sir, because 20 in
Okay.
25 table 48 it comes not comes.
I am
Sir, we
doing.
will take 20
I am solving the question number 2 on the board here. Okay.
Sir, today pink.
Sir, your board color changes every day, sir. I am very excited always
Today.
to see your board color.
Today, which color will be there?
Sir, pink.
Sir, today we will do the fourth one, sir. You are doing second one.
I'm just telling the answer of the second one. Okay.
Sir, I have sent you the fourth and fifth answer. Please check.
Just wait, beta.
Sir, I was thinking that in the third answer. Sir, if it is second answer, the answer is 194.
194 is the answer of second one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's do the fourth one. Black color is looking, black ink is looking good on pink board. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
May we start with question 4?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us start with question 4.
Sir, we have not done
Exercise. We have done question 3, I think. Have we done question 3, all of you?
Yes, sir. We have done the question number 3 and the
Yes,
answer
sir.
will be 209 and remainder will be 0.
We
Sir,
have
we
done
have
question.
not done question.
Sheila, this was question 3. Sheila has rupees 6,270. She wants to buy
Sir, we have
chocolates,
done.
and which chocolate is of rupees 30. Then what is the cost? How many chocolates she has bought? I think we have done beta question 3. Question 4
Yes,
we
sir,
have
we
to
have
do.
done.
We have to do
Do it
question.
again.
Sir, we have done.
You want me to do
Wait,
question
Sir,
3
no,
again?
no, sir.
Okay, I am doing only the solution of question 3. जल्दी से देखो बेटा, क्वेश्चन 3 का सॉल्यूशन मैं करूंगा जल्दी से. Number of chocolates that Sheila can buy.
Sir, 2 sir.
You will divide
Sir, 2 sir.
6270 by 30. So 2
Sir,
times
2 sir
60.
minus 30.
Sir, answer is
Sir,
7
2
copy
will
कर
left.
लेंगे, but 0, then 0 another one, then
Yes, sir,
9,
0,
then
0.
270,
9
then
sir,
remainder 0.
290.
So
Minus
the
0.
number of chocolates
Sir.
that Sheila can buy is 209.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the answer. Understood, beta? Summer?
Yes.
Summer, beta, have you done? Summer vacations?
Sir, please.
Sir, who has told you? Sir, who has told you? Sir, which teacher has told you?
What vacation?
Sir,
Summer
his
vacations.
teacher has told you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
His name is Summer Vacation.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Shalini ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Sir, Shalini
Sir.
ma'am.
Yes,
Sir,
beta.
in my colony, there is my friend. His name is also Summer. Sometimes we call him Summer Vacation, sir. He also studies in this system only.
So he is also in SR International.
Yes, sir.
Wow,
Sir,
very good.
sometimes we say him Summer Vacation
Acha,
and Summer Vaccination.
Summer vaccination. So he likes his name or not?
Sir, he likes sometimes we say and sometimes normal Summer only.
Summer beta, do you like your name?
Yes, sir.
Do you like your name?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. You are a very joyful child.
Sir, you have not asked any teacher what they call me.
What do they call you? I will ask Shalini ma'am. What? Tell me. You tell me.
Sir, please ask from all the students all now.
Wherein what do the teachers call Kushagra?
Sir, Harry Potter. Sir,
Harry Potter. Acha, he looks like Harry Potter. Yes, yes, yeah.
Sir, and Iram Maggie.
Iram, अच्छा इरम को मैगी बुलाते हैं. Why? Because her hair looks like Maggie.
Sir,
Please share the previous.
Sir, Shalini ma'am says Iram Maggie.
Maggie, beta, are you present today?
Yes, sir.
Very good, beta. Maggie, very good. Do you like your name, Maggie?
Yes, sir.
You like your name, Maggie? Harry Potter, do you like your name?
Yes, sir. I have taken part in a play with the role Harry Potter.
Arey
Also
wow,
in the school.
very nice, very nice. Chaliye, let's do question 4. Divide the largest 4-digit number by the largest 2-digit
Sir.
number. Yes.
Sir, I sent you the 4th and 5th answer. Please check.
Very good. अभी देखते हैं बेटा. The largest 4-digit number. Tell me the largest 4-digit number. कौन सा number है largest 4-digit number?
Sir, 9,999.
Sir,
It is 9,999,999. And largest 2-digit number.
Sir, 99.
It is 99. So you have to divide the largest 4-digit number by the smallest 2-digit number. I am giving you 1 minute 21.5 seconds. 1 minute 21.5 seconds to divide and tell the answer.
Sir, a typical measurement.
Sir, the answer is 101. Sir, the answer is 101.
Sir, the answer is 101.
The answer is 101.
Sir, the answer is 101.
Don't
Sir,
tell,
101.
don't tell the answer like this. Tell your answer in the chat box. Okay. अच्छे बच्चे हैं. Send your answer in the chat box. Divide, all of you. Those who have not done, they can divide and send their answer in the chat box. Your 1 minute 1.5 second is left. Yes, beta, your 1 minute 21.5 seconds are over.
Yes,
Sir, I have gotten the answer.
Sir, you have
sir,
written wrong.
today we have very much work. Today, sir, we have a lot of work to do. Actually.
Sir, the question there is written largest 3-digit number and you have written 2-digit.
Beta, you read the question. Divide the largest 4-digit number by the largest 2-digit number. बुक में पढ़ो क्वेश्चन, ठीक है? 4-digit number को
Sir,
largest
I have written some another question in which largest 7-digit number divisible by divided by largest 3.
Sir,
Okay,
today we
okay.
have a lot
Sir, I
of
have done
work. Sir, today we have a lot of work.
Lot of written work.
Sir, I
Yes,
have
sir.
done. Sir, I
Yes.
have done a full. Sir, I have done full division chapter in tuition. So, sir, I know where that 7-digit number divided by largest 3-digit
we
number
are-
is given.
And sir, we
Very
are
good.
doing this. Sir, we are doing this from since 4 years.
Fifth answer statement.
Yes, yes, yes. Beta, wait,
Okay,
wait.
ma'am.
Let me complete it. Let me complete it first. 9. अब देखो बेटा, this number is 09. 09 is smaller than 99, so you will copy one more digit. But because we are copying 2 digits, we will put a 0 here. Now 199 minus करके 0. Therefore, the answer is 101. 101. Okay. Let's do the next question.
Now can I tell?
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir. Fifth answer. Cost of one chair equals to rupees 67.
Hmm.
Then, sir, this is I cannot frame this. Sir,
67 plus 67.
sir, may I tell? Sir, cost of each chair is equal to rupees 67. Number of chairs can be buy with rupees is equal to 4,506. Sir, the answer is, sir, may I tell answer also?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Sir, the question is 67 and the remainder is 11.
Okay, very good. Let's see. Okay, so there is, let me explain the question. All of you, please pay attention. Keep your mics off, everyone. If each chair costs rupees 67, then how many can I buy with rupees 4,500? Beta, please, all of you, keep your mics off. There is some disturbance. Yes, thank you. Noel Sahib, were you saying something? Was there any doubt? No? Okay, so if each chair costs rupees 67, how many can I buy with rupees 4,500? देखिए मेरे पास 4,500 रुपीज हैं. अब मैं कुछ अगर कोई भी चीज मार्केट से परचेज करने जाऊंगा तो ऐसा तो है नहीं कि मेरे जितने रुपीज हैं उतने रुपीज के पूरे पूरे प्रोडक्ट मुझे मिल जाए जो भी मैं चीज खरीदने जा रहा हूँ. हो सकता है सम मनी विल बी रिमेनिंग विद मी, है ना? So same is the case here. Yes.
We have to do question 2.
Question 5 we are doing. Question 5.
No, sir. Do we
Question
have to
2.
do the
Yes.
question
Yes.
2?
Yes. 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 You have to do question 2 also in your copies. So what we will do to find that how many chairs we can buy and still how much money will be remaining with us. For this we can divide 4,500 by 67. So you can write that how much money total amount we have, total money or total amount we have is rupees 4,500. Cost of each chair is 67. Okay. Now if you divide 4,500 by 67, you will get the cost of, sorry, you will get the number of chairs that you can buy. 4,500 divided by 67. Go 6 times. 67 into 6. सुपरमैन ने बताया था 67 into 6 कितना होता है? 402. सुपरमैन ने बताया था 67 into 6 is equal to 402.
Sir, which is Superman? Superhero.
Then 10 minus 2 is 8. 4 minus 0 is 5 minus.
Sir, which
Zero is
Superman? Sir, you?
Sir,
No,
which
no,
Superman?
no, beta, Superman, real Superman.
Sir, real
Sir, in
Superman.
some
नहीं कहते।
movie. Sir, in some movie or episode.
No, बेटा, आयरन मैन ने भी एक बार बताया था कि 67 multiplied by 7 कितना होता है? देखिए कितना होता है, आयरन मैन ने बताया था 7 into 7 49 4
Sir,
42 plus 4
269. Sir, 269.
469.
Mhm.
So आयरन मैन ने बताया था 67 into 7 is 469. एंड फिर बैटमैन ने बताया था 480 minus 469 is equal to 11. ये बैटमैन ने बताया था 480 minus 469 is equal to 11. So that means number of chairs bought, BOUGHT bought, ठीक है, is equal to 67. नंबर ऑफ चेयर्स जो बाय कर सकते हैं वो आपको क्वोशंट में मिल जाएगा. अब कितने रुपीस आपके पास बचे हैं? मनी लेफ्ट, मनी स्टिल लेफ्ट. कितना पैसा अभी और बचा है? ये 11 रुपीस बचे हैं. मनी स्टिल लेफ्ट इज रुपीज 11. चलिए ये 11 रुपीज से क्वेश्चन बना लेते हैं. मैं आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ, एक फनी क्वेश्चन, नॉट फनी, इट इज अ पजल काइंड ऑफ थिंग. आर यू रेडी फॉर दिस पजल? 11 रुपीज से ही पजल बना देता हूँ.
Sir, where we have to do? Sir, where we have to do?
It is just for your oral assessment. You don't have to do it in your copy. Just try to do it orally. Or if you need some need to write something, you can use some rough copy. Suppose if you want to do some calculation, you can do that in rough. Okay. Are you ready for the puzzle? 11 rupees से puzzle बना रहा हूँ मैं. ये जो 11 rupees लास्ट में बचे हैं, अब बच्चा क्या करेगा? बच्चा 11 rupees का क्या करेगा बताओ? कैंडीज ही खरीदेगा और क्या करेगा?
Yes, sir.
हाँ है ना, तो वही मैं क्वेश्चन बना देता हूँ. 11 rupees and candies. नहीं, कैंडीज खरीदेगा. एक क्वेश्चन बना दे.
सीधे चॉकलेट ले लेगा.
नहीं, हमारे यहाँ क्या है?
Sir, one 10 rupees chocolate and 1 rupees candy, और sir 5 rupees.
बड़ा स्पेशल ऑफर. नहीं, सुनो बेटा, सुनो तो क्वेश्चन ये है. अब ऑफर चल रहा है. आप गए एक शॉप पर, आप हैं बहुत चालाक. आपने सोचा 11 रुपीज का कुछ फायदा उठाना है बढ़िया करके. तो यू वेंट टू अ शॉप. उधर शॉप पे एक ऑफर चल रहा है. ऑफर क्या है? शॉपकीपर ने कहा है भाई कि मेरे पास 1 रुपी की 1 कैंडी है. ₹1 में कितनी कैंडी मिलती है? 1 कैंडी.
1.
बहुत अच्छी बात है. लेकिन शॉपकीपर ने एक और ऑफर दिया है. शॉपकीपर ने, अगर आप 3 रैपर्स जानते हैं आप, कैंडीज की, कैंडीज को रैप किया जाता है. सो रैपर्स जो होते हैं कैंडीज के, अगर आप वो रिटर्न करेंगे, 3 रैपर्स रिटर्न करेंगे अगर आप शॉपकीपर को, तो आपको 1 कैंडी और मिल जाएगी. मजा आ गया? मजा आया नहीं आया? 3 रैपर्स.
सर ये उन्हीं का
means
फायदा
by
हो रहा
4
है.
rupees we can buy 4 candy. Sir, by 3 rupees we can buy 4 candy.
Ah, very clever, Parin Goyal. Yes.
सर बट इस ऑफर में उन्हीं का फायदा हो रहा है सर, क्योंकि सर हम लालच में आके 3 कैंडीज खरीद लेंगे.
हाँ, 1 कैंडी की जगह बच्चे 3 कैंडीज खरीदेंगे.
और सर मिलेगी बस 1. सर मिलेगी 3 के बदले 1.
हाँ.
Sir, I Sir, I have seen one story in that one ice cream was 10 rupees. So, sir, he said that I will give you buy one get one free 20 rupees. So, sir, he take for both of the ice creams, and sir, his all ice creams sold also. Big beginning.
सर यानी पैसे वेस्ट हो गए उसके और मिला कुछ नहीं।
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड बेटा, क्या बात है। चलिए तो अब हम ये क्वेश्चन बेटा लेट मी पजल तो कंप्लीट करने दो।
Can you show the question fifth, answer fifth?
यस 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 जस्ट वेट।
यू मीन सर हम लोग आपको बातों में लगा रहे हैं, क्वेश्चन ही नहीं करने दे रहे।
हाँ देखो बेटा, ये दिस इज योर आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन 5। 67 चेयर्स परचेज कर ली एंड उसके बाद भी 11 रुपीज बच गए। अब ये 11 रुपीज जो बचे इसका क्या करेंगे बच्चे? वही मैंने पजल बना दी है, अभी भी बनाई, बिल्कुल गरम गरम पजल है एकदम। रेडी बेटा, पूछूं?
सर लेकिन पजल तो बताइए।
सर सुनिए तो,
हमने गरम गरम पजल खिला दीजिए।
देखो बेटा, ₹1 में 1 कैंडी मिल रही है मार्केट पे। 3 रैपर्स हैं। 3 रैपर्स अगर आप देंगे, शॉपकीपर ने एक ऑफर दिया है। ऑफर क्या है? 3 रैपर्स अगर आप शॉपकीपर को रिटर्न कर देंगे तो शॉपकीपर आपको एक एक्स्ट्रा कैंडी देगा। ओके, सो अब आपको ये बताना है 11 रुपीज से, अगर आपके पास 11 रुपीज जो बचे थे लास्ट में, यहाँ पर 11 रुपीज बचे हैं, ये 11 रुपीज से आप टोटल मैक्सिमम कितनी कैंडीज खा सकते हैं? मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ कैंडीज दैट यू कैन ईट विद 11 रुपीज, बताइए। थिंक एंड आंसर।
+1 +3 5 9.
Keep your mics off.
Sir, may I tell the answer?
Sir, can you tell
wait. Those who have done and they think that they have got the answer, they can send their answer in the chat box.
Sir, please tell the puzzle again.
पजल बहुत सिंपल है बेटा। आपके पास 11 रुपीज बचे हुए हैं, जो आपने चेयर्स खरीदी थी अभी, उसमें से 11 रुपीज बचे हैं आपके पास। Now you went to a shop. The shopkeeper is saying that one candy is of 1 rupees, and there is an offer. अगर आप 3 रैपर्स देंगे शॉपकीपर को, 3 रैपर्स वापस करेंगे कैंडीज के, तो शॉपकीपर आपको एक कैंडी और देगा। मजा आ गया? सो टोटल आपको बताना है 11 रुपीज से आप कितनी कैंडीज खा सकते हैं मैक्सिमम विद 11 रुपीज। कितनी कैंडीज आप ले सकते हैं शॉपकीपर से? गिव योर आंसर इन द चैट बॉक्स।
सर बहुत कम कैंडीज का फायदा हुआ है।
देखो बेटा देखो, आंसर चैट बॉक्स में लिखो, अभी चेक करते हैं।
Sir, sir, you have given the riddle of 11 rupees. Sir, I will buy one chocolate. Sir, I will buy one chocolate and I will give it to a dog, and then I will eat another 10 chocolate. Sir, sorry, candy.
Okay, that means you are a dog lover.
Sir, I have a dog at my home.
You have a dog. You like dogs.
Sir, he said one day that he will make Corona pet.
Wow.
Not bad, good. GOOD.
सर आई नो आंसर। सर सारे पैसे खर्च हो गए और सर कैंडी बहुत कम आने लगी है।
सर मैंने तो सबसे पहले सेंड किया है।
ओके, टाइम अप कर दें?
नो सर, सर मैं दे रहा हूँ।
Okay, 1 minute और.
Sir, but this offer is very good for very small children and
Ah.
candy lovers.
Yes, yes. Those who like,
It's very
yes,
good offer.
those who like to eat candy and like cavity in their teeth, this offer is very good
I
for
don't
them.
like candies.
Sir, I also don't like candies.
I like candies, but I don't like cavity in my teeth.
Candies.
Sir, I like.
I like candies, but I don't
सर
like
मैं कुछ
cavity
भी
in my
खचाड़ा
teeth.
पचाड़ा टाइप कर जा रहा हूँ, पता नहीं।
Sir, I also don't like cavity in my teeth. Sir, I do not eat candies.
Very good.
And chocolates also. Sir, I always eat the vegetables, fruits, and
Very
sweets.
good.
Sir, I do
Very
not
good. Maggie, do you eat Maggie? Do you eat yourself?
Yes, sir. No, sir. Sir, Maggie I eat, but I do not eat my ear.
Chalo beta, may I tell the answer now?
Yes.
Sir, Maggie is the most
may I tell the
favorite
correct
snack
answer?
of all the Indians.
Yes.
सर कोई भी नूडल और पास्ता आ जाए, मैगी सबसे फर्स्ट नंबर पे रहेगी।
Sir, I don't like
Absolutely
Maggi.
right.
I like pasta and macaroni only.
Ma'am,
Achha.
sir, I like Maggie, not too much, only some, and macaroni and pasta also some much, not too much.
Okay. Chalo, only
And
5
I
minutes
like
left.
to-
I am.
Sir, may I tell the correct answer? Sir, I like Maggie. Sir, I like Maggie. Sir, pasta and sir, noodle masala.
Sir, I also same. Sir, Maggie, all the types of pasta, all the types of noodles, sir, and all the types of junk food.
Very good, beta. Very good. But not so good for your health.
Yes.
Chalo,
but
beta.
I eat
I'm.
only
Sir,
Sunday.
may I tell the answer? Sir, may I tell the answer?
Chalo, Varun Goyal, tell your answer.
Sir, 13.
13 is absolutely very good, very good for your attempt, but
Can
it is
you
not the
show
right
us
answer.
why it is 13?
13. I said very good for the attempt, but the answer is not correct.
Sir, can I tell?
Why?
Sir, can I tell? Sir, can I
अच्छा बेटा आदित्य, what is the answer?
आ गया 14 होगा.
16. Aditya, can you explain why 16?
Sir, now I get to know the correct answer.
Sorry,
Sir, 14.
Aditya.
Sir, 14 will be.
What?
14 by mistake.
You are saying 14 is the answer, Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but the correct answer is 16. Let me show you. I am a very clever teacher. My questions are also very good level questions. See this.
Sir, you are very majakiya also.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 rupees, 11 candies, and 11 wrappers. Count the number of wrappers also. These are wrappers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Sir, can
9,
like these questions come in
10.
our exams?
No. This is just for fun. Just for your IQ improvement. Okay. Chalo beta. So these are 11 candies and 11 wrappers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. अब देखो बेटा, आप लोगों ने 11 कैंडीज तो गड़प कर ली. Now you returned 3 wrappers. तो मैं ये 3 wrappers यहाँ से हटा दे रहा हूँ. आपने दे दिए. आपको 1 एक्स्ट्रा कैंडी मिल गई. वरना एक्स्ट्रा कैंडी मिली. और इस एक्स्ट्रा कैंडी के साथ एक्स्ट्रा रैपर भी मिला या नहीं मिला? कैंडी ऑब्वियसली रैपर तो देंगे ही.
Yes,
तो ये एक्स्ट्रा
sir.
रैपर मिल गया।
सर बट अभी जो 3 हटे थे उनमें से बस एक आया हमारे पास रैपर।
Now 3 more rappers गड़प कर दो। 1 2 3 and you get 1 more candy and plus 1 more rapper. Congratulations. Again remove 3 rappers plus 1 more candy, 1 more rapper, है ना? Okay. Now these 3 rappers जो मिले इनको भी हटा दो। वाह, 1 more extra candy,
1 more rapper,
1 more rapper, 1 extra rapper. Okay. Now count the number of candies. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 11 तो यही थे। 12 13 14 15 15 हो गए, यहाँ तक 15 हो गए। बट
Sir, there will be one
अभी
more
देखो
candy of
ये
two,
पुराने 2 रैपर बचे हुए हैं। अभी ये 2 पुराने रैपर बचे हैं एंड एक ये नया
और
रैपर
एक
बचा है।
नीचे
1
है।
2 3 दैट मीन्स 1 मोर एक्स्ट्रा कैंडी। कितनी हो गई? 16 कैंडीज। समझ में आया?
सर उसके बाद ये भी तो बोलिए सर 1 more rapper।
1 रैपर बचा रह गया, लेकिन उसका कुछ नहीं हो
Yes, sir.
सकता। एक रैपर बचा रह गया बस, ये इसका कुछ नहीं हो सकता।
बेचारा रैपर अकेला टूट गया।
Sir, this can be in the dustbin.
हाँ, this rapper can go in the dustbin.
Sir, एक dustbin and
सर
put the
सर
wrapper
वो
in the
बेचारा रैपर अकेला डस्टबिन में चले जाएगा।
Yes. All of you understood the puzzle. Was it a good puzzle or not?
Sir, you are very clever, sir. I have, sir, my answer comes 15, but I do not thought that the two wrappers are left and one more is left.
Yes, you are right. Iram was very close to the answer.
Yes.
Very good.
Sir, Aditya gave the correct answer.
Ah.
One mistake.
But he changed his answer. Then he told me that by mistake he gave 16. His correct answer is 14.
Sir, he was to giving the